Hello YouTube, today we are playing Roblox. My name is blank.
Jacob.
No, yeah.
Jacob.
My name is Jacob. Oh no, it's not Jacob. But that's my username on Roblox. My name is Eli, short for my real name. And let's get straight into Roblox. Today we will be playing with two other guys. One of them, both of them, they both have YouTube channels. One of them is Savage, and the other one is JJ.
But
and today, let's ask them. What are we playing? What are we playing?
We can't join this flow because he's in.
Shush your mouth.
And we're also in a YouTube video to my G, so it's a whole video. So we're about to join my bro.
I'm so sorry. This is so weird because
we're about to
it's YouTube so video,
YouTube video.
Yeah, all three of us are making a video, and they're doing
about to join my.
It's so hard. Why?
And then shout out to J Buckets 8. Shout out to him, and shout out to Bruno. Shout out to Bruno Mars 1990.
Alright, what are we playing?
So
you know what?
Join me. Just join me.
No,
bro.
join me.
Oh, I'm already in a game, bro.
But that's only 2 people. It's only gonna allow me and you. What about Jay?
Well, Jay decided to join.
Alright, bye, Jay.
Oh my god, this game is hacking.
Join me, y'all trash.
How? It's literally just.
We're playing Real Citizens. Join me.
Bro.
But your server is full.
Bro, there's 17 people and I cannot join.
Alright, today we are playing Real Citizens. Do you hear this?
You hear this, dude?
He started.
What the heck?
Yeah, something's wrong with yours. I don't know what is yours doing. Alright, the loading is complete. Oh guys, I'm pretty sure I haven't made a Roblox video, but I used to have a trash mansion. But those of you that do have a mansion, it's not trash. I had a mansion since I started playing. I had no house, but then I worked up. Work hard. Don't. Can you shush? Right. Yes. Yeah. Let me get my car. You can pull up at my house. My house is huge. I have the luxury cabin. Well, I left because you were talking about some other stuff, and my viewers want to hear what I'm doing.
Funny, bro. People, this is mad funny that we're all doing a YouTube video at the same time.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, guys. It's so confusing.
I know. I'm like,
this is so weird.
I can't join y'all. That is bogus.
Alright, well, I'm at my house. What?
You said you're at your house,
yeah.
What if you got? I'm gonna shoot this real
And I have a gaming room in here.
No, it's Sublime.
Dead.
Dead? I think it's all the way upstairs.
Yeah, it is. My gaming room is upstairs. I got those computers, the pool, the whatever that is. Oh, what is these? What is this?
Ping pong.
Ping pong. We got the flat screen TV. You know, we got the PS4. We got the Xbox One. The Xbox One S. You know, I'm just making these Xbox things up. They're both fake. Here's my hot tub. This is, what is these? This stuff looks like it's made out of wood.
Probably wood that flows.
Alright,
electricity that flows through wood. Tell someone to leave the game.
That's dumb. Electricity that flows through wood. Alright, guys, you guys probably don't understand. We just learned about all the conductors. A conductor is what electricity can flow through. And this kid just said, electricity can go through wood.
I never said that.
To be honest, the best conductors are wood. I mean, no.
Research.
Or metal, gold, iron. Metal, gold, iron.
Hey,
top.
Research squad. Find out if wood can flow through electricity. Just find out, research squad.
If electricity can.
I know, but just research squad. Let's see.
Yes. You don't have to park in my garage. This ain't your garage. This is my house.
Oh, let's get a bunch of joy.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. I have one of the biggest lots. Cause these one go.
No anti-villa. Should I get the anti-villa? Should I get my anti-villa back?
There, I'm backing it all the way up. Why doesn't it work?
Bro, me and yesterday.
Mama call. See you on TV. Alright, I'm sorry. That was like a moment of silence with some music on.
Oh, you have to
No,
give
I'm
a
just kidding.
moment
That
of
wasn't
silence.
If
Wait,
you-
hold on. You have to give a moment of silence.
I'll leave. I actually would help you guys. I'll leave each one of these
But we have to
people
get a moment.
channels in the description. So I will have that in the description below.
But we need to get a moment of silence for those high schoolers and Canadian hockey who died. Moment of silence. We gotta give a moment of silence.
Alright, I'm gonna give Jack why don't you just put Jace? I like Jace more than Jack.
Moment of silence. Jace, moment. We're having a moment of silence.
Alright, Jace, I'm giving you permission.
Oh my God! I'm trying to give you guys a moment of silence. Check out me, man.
Where's Jay Buckets?
Oh, am I watching a movie and still breathe, bro?
I don't see Jay Buckets.
Nah, bro.
Shit
Really
don't
scary,
shine.
Bro, should I get my anti-villa back and I'll just save up?
Yeah, you should do that.
Yeah, and when my dad's computer gets battery, I can do my hack.
Wait, why don't you do it on this? I did the hack on this.
No, because my mom put like parent control on my computer.
Oh.
I know.
Alright, you know what? I'm Jay Buckets. You're just gonna have to roll with me. Alright, wait. Give me a perm to your house.
Bro, I have the best house. I have the best house in the squad right here.
Yeah, cause you like. Wait, when did you get this?
What, me?
Jace.
Oh, I did the hack for him.
Wait, when did you get this?
I did the hack.
Yo, this
for
is a
him.
better house than mine.
I did the hack for him.
Jace, Jay, can I tell you which house I thought this was yours? I thought this house was yours. You guys just look at my mouth. I'm sorry, I just thought this house was
I have
yours.
every house in the game with Sarah, see? I have every house in the game.
I can't give you a perm because you already sponsored.
Yo, bro.
I am the game.
Bro.
I shake that game.
Bro, how you say you shake that game when I got everything in the house?
Cause you do the hack. I only did the hack like 5 times.
Shit. Bro, if you did the hack 5 times, bro, you would have had the anti-villa by now.
Oh yeah, but go, where's my game room again?
I'm making a video. Thanks.
Who did this?
Alright, people. Alright, guys, I'm sorry
Bro,
about
I
that.
can't see
You know how it is when you have family here.
Yeah, bro, they
Yo, you know what? I want to do that glitch right now.
Good,
No, I'm
good.
just kidding. I did the glitch and it messed up. And I went all the way to August, and August it messed up, so I still have like 100 days left.
Yo,
Every day we lit.
I hope how many days that Jace has.
Wait, how many what?
By accident, I messed up his thing.
Jace, how many days do you have? I messed up mine. I messed mine
Jeff,
up.
why is his name Jeff?
My name's Jeff.
His name, dang.
Wait, this dude's flexing on me. Hold up.
Bro, flexing
Hold up,
on
I'm
me.
telling this dude to move. I'm about to flex right in front of you.
Nah, bro.
Yo, y'all should join me. One time we were playing in like this entire side of.
Demolish your house. Isn't your house like literally right there?
No, are you seriously about to try to roast me?
Me?
You really think this?
Oh
DJ
my.
Holly. No offense, but
Wait, where's
no
your
offense,
house?
but you gotta work a little bit more. You really thought that I had this piece of trash? I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. But he knows how much. This kid knows how much I work, and he really said.
Flexing on the haters.
No, I made like over 40K. I made over 40K by just working. That's how you know I work hard. That's how you know I work hard.
Ow.
Yo, who are these people coming in your garage? Somebody's pulling up in a white
Bro, pull up. What's up, boy? What's up, mate? Pull up.
Put up,
mate.
put up. I'm
Pull
about.
up, mate. Pull up.
You
Pull
know,
up, bro.
you know what's really about to flex on you, Alex.
Pull up.
Alex, come here. Do you
Yeah,
see this
pull
little Lex right here? You see this little Lex?
Bro.
Hey, who's smiling?
Yo, this is my crib.
Who's smiling?
I don't know. Who? Smiley, are you one of my fans? Because if you're a fan of
Say
mine,
hi
then
to
yeah.
YT.
Oh yeah, Smiley. Smiley, Tech, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you one of my subscribers or fans?
Yo, guys, shout out to Smiley. Shout out to
Wait, Smiley. If you like my channel, I'll give you a. What's your username? What's your
Shout out to Smiley.
Shush your mouth. Or Smiley Sam. Oh, you don't like YT? Smile. Pull up in my clip.
Shout out to Smiley. Hey, Mike. Hey. Shout out. Yes.
I gave a shout out to both of y'all, and I'll leave y'all YouTube channels in the description.
Yeah,
That's if y'all even give it to me.
And sometimes.
Ooh, I'm already at 10 minutes. I'm already at 11 minutes.
Same, bro.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna make this into a series. I'm gonna be like part 1, part 2.
Yeah.
I'm just do it like that because I'm timed.
This is gonna be part 1.
Well, how many minutes are you
What's
at?
your name? It's
Gamer YT. Mine is actually pretty confusing. I don't know how people found out about my YouTube channel, but mine is pretty confusing.
It's game. I need to check.
It's big.
It's either.
It's big EST4A.
Oh, my YouTube name is. Okay.
Just
What the hell is my YouTube name?
I still can't change my YouTube name. That's how you know I change it all the time. Oh, King K trying to flex? You guys know how I have my like toast? I'm about to switch that. I'm sorry guys, but this dude's trying to flex. You're calling us later? Oh.
So yeah, this will be part 1 of our day.
I'm not ending it right now.
Sometimes we might do a little like vlog, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we'll do a vlog and stuff.
Yeah, facts. I probably would vlog one day.
Yeah.
I'll vlog about my gaming, matter of fact.
So
that's what I'll do for you. That's what I'll do for you, YouTube.
We about to end this at 15 minutes,
I'm gonna end it at 14 minutes and 59 seconds. Just to prove. Can you give me a perm?
Alright, I got
Yo, I had to sell my Jaguar though.
Why you have to sell your?
So I could get my luxury cabin. I don't have one now. Dad, look. See you on TV. I'm on my car. See you on TV.
You trying to get this house I got?
No. No.
If you got,
it's too big and nobody's ever in my house though.
But nah, bro. If you sell your Jaguar,
I already sold that.
So give me some money.
I'm broke. You have like. Well, I still
I'm gonna
have.
beat Lysander. I bet I'm gonna beat Lysander.
Cause you're good. No, that's cheating. That's cheating. Fun. You wanna cheat?
Nah, bro. I'm cheating, bro. I'm playing. What you gonna do?
Whose house are we eating dinner at?
Mine. Oh wait, no.
Mine.
I have nothing on my house.
Mine.
I have nothing at my house. I don't know why.
Mine. My house is full. I already have everything at my house. Jace, you have everything in your house?
No, I don't, because I got a new house, so I need to work on my house.
Jace, you have everything at your house.
Oh, I can sew some
Okay, so do I.
stuff.
Oh wait, I'm sorry guys, I have to end this video right here.